goodness. Abby, you're sitting up. You got your favorite toy there. What you got? You can do it. Where are you going? Look at that determination. So we need to put it back up for you. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That's good. So we just want that in our mouth so bad. We can't quite. There we go. We're getting better at our putting stuff in our mouth. And a little bit of gas. A little bit of gas. You're so silly. Hi. You smile? You flirt? You little flirt? Hi. You sleepy? Yeah? Good girl. You're so funny. Guess we'll have to turn it like that.